The earliest known recipe for banana bread appeared in a Pillsbury cookbook in 1933. The recipe included mashed bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking soda, sour cream, and salt. Other ingredients like cinnamon, vanilla extract, and chopped nuts were added later to enhance the flavor. My name's Claire, and today I will show you how to make the best banana bread ever. The first ingredient to make banana bread is 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Next, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 mashed bananas, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 1/4 cup of flour. Is anybody allergic to these ingredients? Perfect. Okay. The first step for making banana bread is to cream together your butter and your sugar. So in your bowl, you'll add your butter and mix your sugar. You'll mix it together. Until it looks something like this. Next, you stir in your eggs and your mashed bananas, which you combine together. Pro tip, if you break it in the carton before, you don't have to break on the table. So. That was a joke. Okay. Mix them together like this until it's all combined. This recipe is really easy because in a lot of baking, there's a lot of chemistry that goes into it, and you need to add your ingredients in a certain order so that it bakes correctly. But this recipe is kind of nice because you kind of just throw everything together and it turns out the same every time. It looks gross, but you'll get over it soon. While mixed, I'll tell you some facts about bananas. Bananas can be black, red, or blue, and there are 400 different varieties all around the world. And the country that eats the most bananas is Ecuador, and they eat about 200 pounds per person each year. And then next, it should look something like this. Next, you slowly mix in your dry ingredients, which is your salt and baking soda and your flour. You want to slowly mix in your flour so that it doesn't become thick too easily or too quick, because then you won't be able to stir it and it won't mix together very well. Some other facts about bananas is that the skin actually helps reduce itching. I don't know if that's true, but you can try it. Over 100 billion bananas are consumed each year in the US, and that's about 11 pounds per person. The banana trees is not actually a tree, it's actually a large herb. And then a cluster of bananas is called a hand, and one banana is called a finger. National Banana Bread Day is February 23rd, so it's actually coming up. So if this recipe helps, then maybe you could make some for its birthday. Once you mix all your ingredients together, it should look something like this. My last fact about banana bread is that it has some actual health benefits, not a lot because there's a lot of sugar, but it has potassium from the bananas and also vitamin B6. The vitamin and potassium actually stays intact while you mix it together, so you don't lose any of that nutrients along the way. Your next step would be to pour this in a greased loaf pan. This is what a loaf pan looks like, and you just spray some oil in there and then pour in your batter. And then you bake it at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. Whenever your banana bread is done out of the oven, it should look something like this. It looks a little burnt, but I promise it's not. It's just how it bakes up. And an easy hack to know that your banana bread is done is right when you take it out of the oven, you can take a toothpick and stick it right in the middle. And if no batter comes out on your toothpick, then you know that it's done. Your next step is to cut and eat it. So I hope that these steps and ingredients can help you make banana bread if you ever want. And now you know how to make the best banana bread ever. Enjoy.